Light daily exercise is one of the most valuable habits you can adopt after 60, not only for general health, but also for the specific benefit of protecting and nourishing your eyes. The eyes are supplied by some of the tiniest and most delicate blood vessels in the body, and these vessels depend on good circulation to deliver oxygen and nutrients that keep vision sharp. Gentle physical activity like walking, stretching, yoga, or even simple chair movements can significantly enhance blood flow throughout the body, which in turn supports the health of the retina and other essential eye structures. When you move your body consistently, you're ensuring that the nourishment from foods and seeds actually reaches the eyes where it is needed most. Exercise also plays a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels, which is especially important for older adults. Elevated blood sugar over time can damage the tiny vessels in the retina, leading to diabetic retinopathy, one of the leading causes of vision loss. Light but regular activity helps the body use insulin more efficiently, reduces spikes in glucose, and protects the delicate tissues that sustain clear sight. Even a short daily walk around the neighborhood, gentle tai chi in the garden, or a few minutes of yoga stretching indoors can be enough to support this process. The key is consistency rather than intensity. At this stage of life, it's not about how far or how fast you move, but about keeping the body in motion every day to maintain circulation and balance. Another benefit of regular light exercise is that it reduces overall inflammation in the body. Inflammation doesn't just affect joints and muscles, it also impacts the eyes, contributing to conditions like dry eye, glaucoma, and age-related macular degeneration. When you engage in movement, your body releases anti-inflammatory compounds, strengthens the immune system, and improves resilience against chronic disease. For older adults, this means not only clearer vision but also greater energy, flexibility, and comfort in daily living. The act of exercising lightly also improves posture and breathing, both of which indirectly support eye health. Deep, steady breathing during a walk or yoga session increases oxygen intake, ensuring that your bloodstream is rich with the fuel that every cell, including those in your eyes, depends upon. Good posture improves blood flow to the head and neck, preventing strain that can sometimes worsen eye fatigue. These small details add up over time, contributing to a stronger foundation for healthy sight. Exercise also nourishes the mind, which is closely connected to the health of the body. Movement reduces stress hormones like cortisol, and since chronic stress can accelerate aging and weaken the eyes, lowering stress is another way of protecting vision. Activities like walking outdoors offer the added benefit of natural light, fresh air, and mental clarity, which all work together to create a sense of balance and vitality. The combination of movement, relaxation, and improved circulation is a natural prescription for maintaining not only the body's strength, but also the brightness and clarity of vision well into the later years of life. Healthy lifestyle habits often create the difference between eyes that continue to see clearly in the later years and eyes that begin to struggle with strain, dryness, or progressive decline. Protecting the eyes doesn't always require expensive treatments or complicated routines. It often comes down to small daily choices that build a strong shield over time. One of the simplest yet most powerful habits is wearing proper sunglasses outdoors. The retina is vulnerable to ultraviolet rays, and years of unprotected exposure can lead to cataracts, macular degeneration, and other forms of irreversible damage. Choosing sunglasses with full UV protection and pairing them with a wide-brimmed hat when spending time in the sun helps reduce this risk while making outdoor activities more comfortable and enjoyable. It is a gesture of care that adds up with each passing day, protecting the very organ that allows you to experience life's colours and details. In addition to sunlight protection, another crucial habit is managing screen time wisely. Many older adults use digital devices to connect with loved ones or watch shows, but prolonged screen use often causes eye strain, headaches, and dryness. Practicing the 20-20-20 rule, where every 20 minutes you look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds, gives the eyes a chance to reset. This tiny break reduces strain on the focusing muscles and helps restore moisture to the surface of the eyes. Pairing this with intentional blinking, which people often forget while staring at screens, prevents the discomfort of dry eye syndrome. Such mindful use of technology keeps the joy of staying connected without sacrificing comfort or clarity. Hydration plays a quiet but vital role as well. The eyes are composed largely of water, and when the body becomes dehydrated, One of the first areas to suffer is the tear film that keeps the eyes moist and protected. Drinking sufficient water throughout the day ensures that the eyes remain lubricated, reducing irritation, redness, and blurred vision caused by dryness. Older adults sometimes underestimate their need for hydration, yet by carrying a simple bottle of water and sipping regularly, they maintain not only eye health, but overall energy and organ function. Sleep is another lifestyle habit that directly impacts vision. During sleep, the eyes repair themselves, rehydrate, and clear out cellular waste accumulated during the day. Poor or insufficient sleep leaves the eyes dry, strained, and more vulnerable to damage over time. Creating a calming evening routine free of screens and filled with relaxing practices like gentle stretching, warm tea, or quiet reading allows the body to drift naturally into deep rest. When the eyes are allowed to recover fully each night, they feel fresher, clearer, and more resilient the next day. These habits may seem small, but together they form a protective network for the eyes. Each choice, shielding from UV rays, resting during screen use, staying hydrated, and prioritizing sleep, contributes to maintaining vision and reducing the risks that come with age. With consistency, they offer a way to live not only with clearer eyes but with greater comfort and confidence in every moment. A positive mindset is one of the most underrated yet powerful tools for preserving health and protecting vision in later years. The connection between mind and body is undeniable, and when the mind is filled with gratitude, optimism, and calm, the body responds with balance and resilience. Stress, on the other hand, can accelerate aging, raise blood pressure, and increase inflammation, all of which take a toll on delicate structures in the eyes. Chronic stress has been linked to conditions such as glaucoma and eye strain, and the constant release of stress hormones can disrupt circulation to the retina. By actively cultivating positivity, whether through meditation, prayer, journaling, or simply focusing on what is still beautiful in daily life, you create an internal environment that supports clarity of sight and longevity of health. Gratitude practices are especially powerful. Beginning the day by naming even a few things you are thankful for shifts focus away from what is lacking toward what is abundant. This shift doesn't just lift mood, it reduces stress hormones, enhances immune function, and improves sleep quality, all of which contribute indirectly to better eye health. A grateful mindset makes the eyes more than organs of sight. It turns them into instruments of appreciation, allowing you to notice the sparkle in someone's smile, the colour of a flower, or the warmth of sunlight on a quiet morning. Seeing with gratitude allows the eyes to be engaged with life rather than weighed down by worry. Mindfulness and meditation also serve as powerful allies. Simple deep breathing exercises, where you focus on slow inhalations and exhalations, can lower blood pressure and reduce eye strain caused by tension in the head and neck. Many people over 60 find joy in practices like Tai Chi or yoga, which not only move the body gently, but also calm the mind, providing a double benefit for overall health. These practices encourage present moment awareness, reminding you that life at this stage is still full of opportunities to grow, enjoy, and experience new things. The calm that comes with mindfulness allows the body to heal more effectively and the eyes to rest and rejuvenate. Equally important is the role of social connection. Studies consistently show that people who stay socially engaged live longer, healthier lives, with lower risks of chronic disease. Laughter with friends, meaningful conversations with family, and even brief daily interactions with neighbours or community groups reduce loneliness, lower stress, and improve mental sharpness. Joy shared in company lightens the heart and brings vitality that radiates through the whole body, including the eyes. A positive social environment can lift spirits on difficult days, reminding you that you are never alone in your journey. Choosing positivity doesn't mean ignoring challenges. It means meeting them with resilience and hope. Aging brings its changes, but it also brings wisdom, perspective, and the chance to slow down and savor moments that once rushed by. By cultivating a mindset that looks for joy, practices gratitude, embraces mindfulness, and nurtures connection, you support your eyes and your health from the inside out. This inner light allows you to continue seeing not just with your eyes, but with your heart, carrying clarity and peace into every stage of life. After the age of 60, many people begin to notice that their eyes don't feel quite as sharp as they once did. Reading glasses may become necessary, small print can seem blurry, and sometimes bright lights or glare feel more uncomfortable than before. But what if I told you that nature has already placed powerful protectors within reach, tiny seeds that can naturally support the eyes and the delicate retina, keeping them stronger and clearer for years to come? One of the most remarkable of these seeds is the flaxseed. Though small and often overlooked, flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and antioxidants that can nourish eye cells, improve circulation, and defend against oxidative stress, which is one of the biggest culprits behind age-related vision decline. Just a spoonful a day can begin making a difference in how your eyes feel and function, acting almost like an internal shield for your retina. When people think about eye health, they often picture glasses, eye drops, or maybe a supplement pill. But one of the most natural and effective protectors for the eyes comes from a source so small it is almost overlooked: seeds. Flax seeds, chia seeds, and sunflower seeds may seem like humble additions to a diet, yet they carry powerful nutrients that directly benefit the eyes and the delicate retina. Flax seeds are especially rich in plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, known as alpha-linolenic acid, which help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the tiny blood vessels and tissues in the eyes. Inflammation is one of the key contributors to age-related macular degeneration and dry eye syndrome, both of which become more common after 60. By consistently adding flax seeds into meals, the body receives a steady supply of these fatty acids that nourish the eyes at the cellular level, keeping them better protected against age-related damage. Chia seeds, another tiny powerhouse, are packed with not only omega-3s, but also antioxidants and minerals like zinc, which play an essential role in maintaining healthy retinal function. Antioxidants are the body's defense against oxidative stress, the process that occurs when harmful free radicals damage cells. The retina, being one of the most metabolically active tissues in the body, is especially vulnerable to oxidative stress. When left unchecked, this stress can weaken vision over time. The antioxidants found in seeds neutralize free radicals, preserving the integrity of eye tissues and maintaining sharper sight. Adding chia seeds into a smoothie, sprinkling them on yogurt, or mixing them into oatmeal is not only simple, but also an enjoyable way to support the eyes naturally. Sunflower seeds, though slightly larger, carry their own unique benefits. They are a rich source of vitamin E, a nutrient long associated with reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Vitamin E is another powerful antioxidant, and because the eyes are exposed daily to light and oxygen, they require a steady defense system to avoid premature decline. Sunflower seeds also provide selenium, which works hand in hand with vitamin E to boost the body's protective systems. For older adults, this combination is particularly valuable because it helps slow the progression of vision challenges that often feel inevitable but are not necessarily beyond our control. What makes seeds so remarkable is not only their nutrient profile, but also their accessibility. They don't require complicated recipes or expensive supplements. They can be easily incorporated into daily meals. A spoonful of ground flax seeds in breakfast cereal, a handful of sunflower seeds as an afternoon snack, or a sprinkle of chia seeds over a salad can transform an ordinary meal into a source of eye protection. It's a small habit that yields significant benefits over time. The best part is that seeds don't just help the eyes, they also improve heart health, brain function, and digestion, which means you are supporting your entire body with a single choice. For people over 60, when the body requires more attention and care, seeds offer a natural, non-invasive, and enjoyable way to stay proactive. They carry the message that nature provides powerful solutions in the simplest forms, and by paying attention to what you eat, you can protect the eyes and preserve the precious ability to see life's beauty clearly. Pairing seeds with colourful, nutrient-dense foods is one of the most powerful ways to nourish the body and strengthen vision naturally, especially after 60. While seeds on their own carry immense benefits, combining them with fruits, vegetables, and nuts creates a synergy that amplifies their protective effects on the eyes, heart, and energy levels. For example, adding flax seeds or chia seeds to a bowl of blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries does more than provide crunch. It delivers a mix of omega-3 fatty acids, fibre, vitamin C, and anthocyanins, all of which are known to defend the eyes from oxidative damage and improve circulation to the retina. This combination is particularly effective against age-related macular degeneration, a condition that threatens central vision in older adults. The antioxidants in berries fight free radicals, while the healthy fats in seeds ensure that these nutrients are absorbed more effectively by the body. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens bring another layer of eye protection when combined with seeds. These greens are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that concentrate in the retina and act like internal sunglasses by filtering harmful blue light and reducing glare sensitivity. When a sprinkle of sunflower seeds is added to a spinach salad, the vitamin E from the seeds pairs beautifully with the carotenoids from the greens, creating a powerful blend that nourishes eye tissues while also supporting overall vitality. Because lutein and zeaxanthin are fat-soluble, the healthy oils from seeds help ensure these compounds are absorbed efficiently. In this way, a simple meal like a kale salad with seeds and olive oil dressing becomes a healing ritual for the eyes. Nuts like almonds and walnuts further enhance this nutritional foundation. Walnuts, for instance, are another excellent source of omega-3s, and when combined with flax seeds or chia seeds, they provide a double layer of fatty acids that fight inflammation. Almonds, on the other hand, are particularly high in vitamin E, and when eaten alongside sunflower seeds, they create a nutrient-rich duo that gives the eyes the protection they need against cataracts and retinal decline. This kind of nutritional pairing isn't about dieting or restriction. It's about abundance, variety, and colourful foods that make meals both delicious and healing. Even simple recipes can be transformed into powerful support for eye health. A smoothie made with spinach, bananas, chia seeds, and a handful of walnuts not only tastes refreshing, but also supplies antioxidants, fibre, omega-3s, and essential minerals in one drink. Oatmeal topped with flax seeds, sunflower seeds, and berries becomes more than breakfast. It becomes an investment in sharper vision, improved heart health, and sustained energy throughout the day. When you eat with purpose and variety, your plate becomes a tool of longevity, empowering your body to stay resilient despite the natural process of aging. This way of eating isn't about quick fixes, but about building consistent habits that reward you every single day. By choosing seeds and pairing them with vibrant, nutrient-rich foods, you send a message to your body that it deserves to be cared for. And the body, no matter the age, responds to that care with renewed strength, clearer vision, and a vitality that allows you to continue enjoying the precious gift of sight and the fullness of life.